And now, let us hear a message from our Assistant Regional Director, Fire Senior Superintendent Arlan A. Tabot, sir.
Thank you, Jim. To our Ardo, Senior Superintendent Diliberti, other division chiefs, officers, and non-commissioned officers in UP, mayong buntag sa tanan. Considering that our regional director is still in national headquarters, he was last Saturday, he was attending the testimonial retirement honor of his classmate, Chief Superintendent Carusa. If you know him, his last assignment is the regional director of NCR. So nag-retire na siya, supposed to be July pa, one month advance na siya. I don't know of the other, your former regional director, kung gano'n sa po niyang retirement, but she will soon retire. Karon po, Lunes day, i-advance po niya of 1 week. So, gabi pa makabalik ata si RD. Gamay lang na reminders, for this week, we have a lot of activities. For tomorrow, those who are involved in the arrival honor of our fire chief, because our fire chief will be coming in our region as the guest of honor speaker for the graduation of the FBRC. So katong mga involved, reminders lang natin practice ugma ng buntag. Buntag ba ito o hapon? Buntag na So kasi nakalimot ko ang uniform is athletics, jogging pants. Then by 4, as per our RD, murag ang members of the command group lang ang iyang ubanon to welcome our fire chief sa airport. Dito sa airport, limited lang kay naapay mga personnel coming from RTC na welcome, and the assigned protocol officer is the PFF of this all. Then wala pa may kabalo sa itinerary niya, but according to our RD, during the tree planting na uban-uban na economic kung asa siya kay kami may back up of the istorya, by the way, congratulations sa atong tanan o salamat sa inyong pagtawag sa ato ang request for the participation in the tree planting, successful, bisag medyo layo-layo, but again, salamat sa inyong pag-participate. We just hope na ma-materialize itong another plan sa ato ang acting training director, si Atty. Garrido, na the next na pinyo to have those activity is dito na sa katong sulod yun sa communal runs, because I know mostly of you walang bagay nakalaat dito sa communal runs. So, basin, one of these days, kung bili na kayo busy, or next coming, kasi siyempre, di man tagod, pwede nga mag-replanting nga wala na ibang daan. So, maghulat po na na po yung incoming trainees na mga ibubangat, kaya ikot naman lang mo sulod. So again, mga next nga plan ni Atty. Garrido that ang binyo dito na sulod sa communal runs kay murag naatay part dito. I don't know how pila ka hektarya ang gihatag na ato ang alagaan. So naka-initial na sila dito ang mga trainees sa previous batches, nakatanong na dito ang ato lang i-continue. And murag duha na ka-area diha sa ipasugong na reeds, murag reeds siya ang panusa na naapoy 2 hectares yang gitudlo man to. So, kung ato nang i-continue, by the time nga mag-retire ka tanan, dagko na sa nangakahoy, hopefully. So, katong mga fruit-bearing trees, kung dili ka makapemulos, ang ato ng mga anak o atong mga apo, makatraining o makasulod sa bumbero. Another thing is, some of the provinces and cities nag-practice na sa ilahang players for the upcoming Regional Fire Olympics, and I don't know kung sa plan. Last week nag-convene na sila So ang days lang dito sa nga days 28. Oh. So kanang 28 naka-allocate na sa mga players and katong mga naka-assign po sa hip-hop and dance sport. Murag, I don't know kung need pa mo o choreographer or trainer. Na naman si Ma'am Ninyo Gani, mamunay coach. So, pwede lang mo anak. No? Again, kuananta ka nang ato lang i-maintain basig mo hapit din si Fire Chief. No, ato lang katong mga duties i-maintain nato ang kalimpyo sa ato ang regional office. Basig mo cited siya diri o kanhi and makita nato ang mga kalag no, mga duties. Once again, good morning sa tanan. Have a fruitful week ahead of us.
Thank you, sir, for that message of guidance. May we call on any announcement from different divisions and sections or offices, Ma'am Sir? There may be none. Let us now sing with honor and pride the Bagong Pilipinas hymn to be followed by BFP hymn. traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, FO2 Jeb Padilla Verador. Thank you and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.